I was on my share video that top one boy.
Which man could break? Munko break mubana back, my best. Why? Go to break and come. And come back and continue.
NDC best stronghold. All right, Abuzian. God bless everybody. So this is situation in NDC stronghold. NDC stronghold. These people vote for NDC without thinking. They vote for NDC without thinking. This is their stronghold. I said every stronghold of NDC is shit. I'm telling people the truth. Every stronghold of NDC is shit. Total shit. Nothing is happening there. This is the people that vote for NDC without even thinking. When they sleep, they wake up, they think of NDC. When they are eating, NDC. Anything, NDC. But look at the condition these people are in. This is the condition. This is the condition that the people that vote for the NDC without even thinking. The NDC don't even spend anything in campaigning to these people. They don't spend penny campaigning to these people. But look at the condition that these people are facing. Look at this, and then you open your mouth and talk. The fact say you love the party doesn't mean say if the reason why you voted for the party, and I say we don't have reason for voting for the NDC, and don't we have reason for voting for the NDC? See, when you go to the OT region, they should even thank Nanado for dividing a voter region into two. Because when it comes to poorest region is OT. Nothing is happening there. Nothing is happening there. But they vote for NDC. Who Bema go and talk bad about NDC in OT region, and then you see them in the comment section right now. You see them in the comment section. When you come to voter region and OT region, these people, we vote for the NDC without thinking. We wake up. When we wake up, we think of NDC. When we are drinking water, NDC. Anything is NDC. These NDC people don't spend anything on us. Campaigning, they don't even give us 10% campaigning. What they spend in their own primaries is more than what they spend when they are campaigning to us in the voter region and OT region. But look at how the region is. Look at how these people have abandoned us. These people, look at how they have abandoned us. They are in big positions in parliament today. They are occupying big position in this government today. But I'm telling you, after 4 years, come back to voter region. You visit voter region and OT region today. Come back in the next 4 years. You will see the same thing, what you have seen today. The same way it will be. Nothing will change. Nothing is going to change. It's going to be the same thing. Look at this. And we said we have a political party that we love so much. We have a political party that we love so much. Recently, I think last week, they said na Mami Jade or Kumasi or Koyes or markets be the things for the Kumasi for. And Serenibi see or Sred John Dramani Mahama say. Nkofodo mutu abama no on share hustle. Their mindset is to capture Ashanti region. That is what the NDC is interested in. Because they have realized that we, the people from the voter region and OT region, we don't think, Sebi. We don't think like we think. We'll call them to book. We need to ask them questions. Why are you people doing this? Why is it that we vote for you and you don't give us this? This is why we need to be calling these people out. But when you get somebody that comes to talk on behalf of the region, you have enemies. Because they have allowed politics to eat into their brains, so they don't want to think. Just imagine that your parents, that the people that gave birth to you, have been supporting the NDC. And they have given birth to you automatically you have become an NDC member. Until now, there's no one job in the voter region for us to stay and do. And you have moral right to tell me say, and MPP buy and obey MPP buy and 1 year say, but then you sack them. So you don't expect the NDC to come and be doing the same thing, right? You don't expect the same thing. So we sacked them. See, I keep on saying it. Give these NDC MPs, give them competition in the voter region and see if whether they work or not. Just give them small competition, small pay. Vote against them once pay, and then you see if whether they work or not. But no, NDC, that be all. They will just want to wake up and realize the NDC is in power. That is all. Nothing is happening. Nothing. Whether the country is, the region is moving or not, they don't care. The only thing they know is that there are parties in power. That is all. Eyeza. That is all.
Which man could break? Break. Why? Go to break and come. And come back, come and continue.
Mamu fro ti region muntie me pa. Se wutie me nso na onua bi wo ti region na ofro ti region na also fro ti region. Ana wadamfo bi a hye mane nkɔ ne ho o ti region fo. Ni tuturu pa ne eye Krachi West municipal fo. Krachi West municipal. Tie abre bia me kama asem bi se moma yenyi party colors. Emfiri anias because party enyo obi ama me de enyo obi papa de tie. And now call Krachi West Municipal. Ajuma bi ani Krachi West Municipal. But everything 1992 ne ato abasa. Bepem sambiri. Ajuma bi ani Krachi West Municipal. This is bebre aba. Ebi di omodi aba be ye masem. Ebi di aba be omodi ebi di aba be ye tuturasem. Ama mbabu nu kura bufuye. Ema ye kopeja this is ni bi firi oma. Ebe ye acheche. Tie muntie me pa oti region for. Especially oti region youth for. Mo akwantu mu hono na moto data sebi o nyame na mato phone na mama nyame na mato data na but mo mfa nka mukuro na asem na mpomutuo mra empo enne uduru eyente wusa junction na okọ hiama nche na mfuturo uduru osrama junction na okọ osrama kuruma mfuturo tworo so kwan nyina mfuturo ajasai kwan nyina mfuturo but Krachi mbabunu eto aba every year bi omoto aba every year bi omoto aba hwe yenyi enu mfiri etim Krachi youth oti region for se youth no mansole angina anka no kura mpa adwuma bia akwantuo na muo mu ne beduru mrebi no be fra akwantuo nim aba mu kurom ensapan because e won se mo ba mu kurom a adwuma bia ni oti region adwuma bia ni oti region emre bia me ko oti region no mo ma lights out okuro nim pa ye ko kan light ho asem o mo asoro no mo chesi ye de even kwa ye nya broadcasters ye nya radio presenters o mo twetwe o mo ho di free mu Krachi West Municipal for Saman Sole Krachi West Municipal for ampa adwuma ewo mukuro ni mu man kasa din amman penyumfo no ampa adwuma mamo enda hwe Krachi youth ewo akwantu mu doson echem Krachi youth omo eye fia omo sumu fie die nti na wo se ba ne say Krachi West constituency ni nyina o me say eno na the smallest constituency among all the 16 regions. Constituency of Ghana in Krachi West Municipal na eketwa but no development no hwe no adwuma no hwe yewura Douglas no ma ba betwam o ma be DDC o ma me hwe Jalula no ma be DDC o ma me hwe edien adwuma bia ni honom ntide na nipa na ba be ye de ama o eno ne ade ba ko ameka hwe police ni soldier na mo fa manfo no eye protocol ena enyo obi anso na betimi afa no police ni soldier ene eti sade mo mefa obi Krachi youth ni nyina nti Krachi youth mo ma adwenda ho Monsole na monkasa because mo region constituency ni aketua bi development made me akọ mo MP mo DC mo se kwa de MC municipal district municipal chief executive monsole na monkasa Krachi youth monsole And then me see Krakye youth wa kwantum bi almost adwuma ni Krakye ntino the smallest town or the smallest constituency ntimi develop constituency aden okoka yes MPP okoka yes NDC enti se hwan na mbra me develop ma yen Krakye wura na besemu na mbra me develop ma ya na he Monsoli o Krakye youth Monsoli o ti region Monsoli o and odru da ma ba bia regional capital ko adwuma bia ni ho tie no kure na me ka kyero na jai beef ne nema bia wo ka ukuro mu adwuma papa be na ho tie ni ame ka kyero na mon kasa nkyere mpanyimfo no na mpanyimfo no mbia adwuma ma mo eye simple as ABC do ti region for Monsoli ngina ene mo MP otiso eye honorable adwanto so Helen 3 times nie 3 times ti think wise honorable eye Ado K Prosper MC sesi ya elect no enanu ma won say energy minister akọ Krakye light and sensem ye de aso ene ya ni to form ahwe ne amaba be ye wo ho ye de ani ni aso to form